So this is how you can create an array and pre-populate it with values. So this is basically an integer array of size 4, and elements are 0 through 3 index numbers. There are two ways to display the array. One would be to use a typical loop. So the difference between the first approach and the second approach is that I'm tapping into the length property of the array. And since the length of the array is 4 and the last index number is 3, therefore I'm stopping 1 before the last element. And solution number 3 would be to use a for each loop, which starts with the word for. You do not have the word for each. And for each loop works like this, that in each iteration, it automatically grabs one values from scores array into val, and then displays the value of val, then goes back and grabs the next item, and like that, it continues till it reaches the end of the loop. Now comes the question, which one of the three should you use? Well, number 2, solution number 2, is a far better choice than solution number 1. Solution number 2 is a far better choice than solution number 1 because you do not have to remember how many elements are there. Solution number 3 is a better choice than solution number 2 if you are only reading linear from start till end. But if you're reading an array backwards, or if you have to skip through some elements, in those kind of situations, solution number 2 is a better choice than solution number 3.